Welcome to the Candle Sharks family. My name is Paul. I am the president of Candle Sharks, and I'm here today to talk to you about our President's Day promo. But before I get into those details, I want to just kind of give you a quick tour of all the information and education that we have to offer. But even before I do that, I just want to bring up one quick story, which I think will help a lot of people. Over the weekend, I was on a conference call with one of our hedge fund managers who happens to be a client. And he's been in the world of trading for decades, and he's doing really well for himself personally as well as his hedge fund. Excuse me. And what he told me was that everybody looks like an Olympian swimmer when they're swimming in the ocean and a strong current is behind them. And I said, give me details. What are you talking about? He goes, well, when the markets just go straight up, everybody's a genius. Everybody is making money in the market. But when the markets change and they get more choppy, meaning the ocean's choppy, he goes, those that are prepared will thrive. They're prepared for any condition. Those that are not prepared are going to drown. And he's been in the market for decades. So I think the analogy really makes sense to me, and I wanted to kind of pass that along to everyone else, that everybody looks great when the markets are just going straight up. You can just put money in the market and everybody's going to do well. But the markets don't just go straight up. They will turn, they will be choppy, they will come down, they will go back up. However, we are here at the Candle Sharks family to prepare you for any market condition. We have students in 85 different countries. We have people that are just starting. We have people like I was just saying, our hedge fund managers that have been in the business for decades and dealing with a lot of money. We help people in any market, whether it's stocks, bonds, futures, cryptos, Forex, options, CFDs, people that are trading on 1 minute charts all the way up to people trading on monthly and even annual charts and everywhere in between. So what you see here on your screen is our Candle Sharks family infographic. Why do we have 3 different sites? And we do have 3 different sites. CandleSharks.com is the origination of the company that Steve Nissen found. It is where our main information site is. On the bottom left of the screen, you will see the Candle Sharks Academy. Let me try to explain Candle Sharks Academy. Why do we have it? Candle Sharks Academy, this is your online classroom center. This is where we have access to all of the programs that you purchase, meaning if you bought things like our Quick Start program, our Express Class bundle, Mega Package, any of our software programs like Nissen Candle Scanner or Nissen Candle Highlighter, or any of our special topics or live training recording sessions, you'll see all of those inside of Candle Sharks Academy. Now, that's really, think about it as your library. It's your home study programs or things that you're going to do on your own in your own time frame, whether you're doing it from a phone, a smart TV, a laptop, tablet, anything else like that. We also have mycandlecharts.com. This is where we host both live and recorded videos on a regular basis. We do interaction sessions. We do daily market outlooks. We do daily market recaps. We do strategy sessions. We have an interactive forum. We have a morning trade setup. We have a chart challenge and much, much more. So think about this. If you were back in college and you were taking biology class, this is just one example. Well, biology class, you learn a lot from lectures and from reading the textbook. Consider that to be Candle Sharks Academy. But you really apply it and put it into action in a lab. So when you're doing a lab in biology class, you're going to be in a smaller group, you're going to be inside of a lab, and you're going to be working with a professional in a specific experiment or a program. They really go hand in hand. You don't want to take a biology lab without the lecture, and using the lecture by themselves without the lab, seeing it in action, really doesn't make sense. So going back to the analogy of being a swimmer in the ocean, think about Candle Sharks Academy of teaching you the technique, what you need to know on your own time frame of how to swim in any condition. But think about my Candle Sharks, about being out in the water with a professional, like one of the mentors that we have in My Candle Charts, teaching you how to handle any condition in any market while you're out there. So they really do go hand in hand. So what I'm going to do right now is show you what Candle Charts Academy looks like. This is an account that we set up for our friend Gordon Gekko. Now you can see that. I'm just going to show you up here in the upper right hand corner. You know that you're logged in when it says howdy with your name when you're logged in. This account happens to be under the name of Gordon Gekko. So Gordon Gekko is logged into this account, and Gordon Gekko has the ability to do a few things. One, here in the green section, and I'll just put a little highlighter here. In this green section, this is what Gordon Gekko already owns, okay? Your products are inside of your library. So in your products, these are things that Gordon Gekko has already purchased. So he has the free program, he has Quick Start program, he has Intraday Chart Mastery 1 and 2, Swing Trading 1 and 2, and the Nissen Candle Scanner for NinjaTrader. Remember, this is where Gordon would have access to all the programs that he already purchased. But we have a full library. So if you click on this, see our full library, you click that, and it will take you to all of the programs that we have to offer. This includes our introductory program of the Quick Start, our intermediate training in the Express class, our advanced training of Mega Package, options training, Frontline Forex. We have our software packages of Candle Scanner and Candle Highlighter. We have our interactive training of My Candle Charts, which I will be talking about in a moment. We also offer one-on-one coaching, our Kaizen on-demand program, and our small group coaching program. In addition, we have a full library of special topics. I believe there are 22 different ones. If you click on this special topic library blue link, it will take you to a page that shows all 22 of those. And then we also have live training recordings, such as our swing trading, our intraday trading, our active investing, our trade setups, our trading plans and things of that nature, seminars. So by clicking that, you will be able to see the library of everything we have to offer. Now, if you purchase one of these items, it would be added into your product. So for easy access, you own it, you would click on that. It's a hyperlink. It would take you to that information. That is candlechartsacademy.com. Remember, it's where you would access the programs you already own and be able to browse all of the different programs that we do have to offer. Notice it will give you a quick explanation, the cost, and if you click on the blue link next to it, it will take you to the full information page. Doesn't mean you're buying it, it just means that you'll be taken to that full information page where it describes that program more in depth. Now, let me show you what My Candle Charts looks like. This is, again, that lab that I was talking about. This is where we host a lot of our daily sessions. If you notice right here, we have a chart of the day, trade setup of the day, daily market recap, strategy sessions where you get to request markets to be analyzed for you. We have a weekly option session. We have a casual trader for those that cannot watch during the week, but we have a session put out on Sundays in order to prepare you for that coming week. We have our chart challenge. We have a session just for Forex. We have an international recap where we go over the major international markets. We have a weekly market recap, which goes over the markets, but in a longer term. We have a charting widget here, which you can click here and change the symbol and change the time frame to look at any chart that you want. There's many different bonuses that come along with being a member included in that bonus section. As you can see there, we have a 3-part options bootcamp for those that want to learn how to trade options. We have candle glossaries of the bullish, bearish, and neutral patterns. We have a bonus video and a bonus ebook. In addition, if you go with our annual or our lifetime plan of My Candle Charts, you get access to that full list of special topics, all accessed right here. So with all that said, let me describe our promo, finally getting to that promo. We have a promo going on right now until this countdown timer goes to 0. Now I'm obviously recording this video with 7 days left. By the time you watch this video on this page, there'll certainly be less time left on that countdown timer. When it goes to 0, this offer is gone. The code is PRESIDENT, as you can see right there. Will provide you a 15% off savings on any item inside of the library. Okay, so you're going to browse that Candlecharks Academy library. When you go to checkout, you're going to use code PRESIDENT. That will save you 15%. Also, for my Candlecharks, which we offer in a monthly, an annual, and a lifetime plan, the code PRESIDENT will save you 15%, but please note it is only valid on the lifetime membership. It does not apply to the monthly or the annual plan. Please note this is only good for new orders only. Now, let me show you a little bit about our bonuses. Any purchase, any combined purchase during this promo of $500 or more will get this Candlestick Companion, meaning we will ship you this actual physical item. It's glossy, very thick, glossy paper, which goes through all of the candle patterns, the nuances, the psychology behind them, what they look like, and everything you need to know about that pattern. There's 28 of the most important candlestick patterns are listed in this Candlestick Companion. Any purchase of $500 or more during this promo, we will ship you that Candlestick Companion. Now, any purchase of $1,500 or more. By the way, a lot of people use the Companion as a friendly companion on their desk. So while they're trading, if they want to see what the patterns are, it's right there for you. Any purchase of $1,500 or more, we'll ship you the Companion and our quick reference poster. I can't remember the dimensions, but I think it's about 2 feet by 3 feet, roughly. Don't quote me, but it's roughly 2 by 3 feet. Again, it's going to go over the major candle patterns, something that I have right here on my wall, right behind my trading desk. So with that, any purchase of $1,500 or more, you get both. $500 or more, we would ship you the Companion. Now, I know I went through a lot right there in this short video. We want to make sure you are prepared for any market condition. You can do that through a variety of ways, different programs inside of our Candlecharks library, with our home study programs, our software, things of that nature. You also want to take advantage of everything that my Candlecharks would have to offer, where we're going to be out there in the water with you, in the trenches, showing you every single day what's going on in the market. So you want to be up to date with everything going on in the market, in the world. You want to be fully prepared for any market condition. So with all that said, if you're confused, if you're overwhelmed, which we know some people will be, just because I just threw out a lot of information, we have a few different things that you can do to get help. One, at the bottom of this page that you're on right now, there is this form that you fill out your name, what markets you're thinking about trading, a little bit about your education, things of that nature. You hit submit, it comes to my team. Somebody will get back to you with what we believe you should take a look at. You can also click this button on the bottom right of the screen, and you will be able to do a chat with any of our live chat agents. Please note, every chat agent here are traders. They're not just chat agents. They're not just customer service people. These are chat agents who are traders, who are very knowledgeable about candles. Every chat agent is somebody that I personally have interviewed who have been trading themselves with candles and are very knowledgeable, not only about Candlecharks, but about all of our programs. So I know I just went through a lot of information. Please don't be overwhelmed. We're here to help you through a variety of resources. And if you're just starting out, our Candlestick Quick Start program is fantastic for you. It is the way to get going. If you're beyond that level, if you've been trading, if you are familiar with candles, we have intermediate, we have advanced, and we have a lot more information to help you out. So take advantage of this great President's Day promo. Remember, the code is PRESIDENT. It will save you 15% and is a great way to get you prepared for everything coming in the markets, and there will be a lot coming in the markets. So with that, I want to thank you for your attention, and do let us know how we can help you profit in the markets with the use of Candlecharks.